Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get Waka TV on your iPhone quick and easy. First, open Safari on your iPhone, then go to the official Waka TV website. Since Waka TV isn't available on the App Store, we'll be using the web version instead. Once the site loads, tap the share button at the bottom of the screen. From the menu, choose Add to Home Screen. This will create a Waka TV icon on your home screen just like a real app. After that, open Waka TV, allow any needed permissions, and make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi for smoother streaming. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend help support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.